In this video, we are going to learn how to remove green screen from your video. So to do that, I will import an video with green screen. If you just click if I just click on this here, as you can see, this video is have already green screen. So what I'm going to do, just click on the plus button and it will be add to your track, and after selecting your video, just click on the remove BG and just check on the chroma key with the eyedropper tool. Just click in here, and if you just play this one right here, it's removed perfectly. And if you want to put something below this object, you can do so. So to do that, maybe I will grab a image, maybe this one, and just click on the plus icon and make it here and take the above of it. And if we just make this a little bit bigger, and just selecting with the layer and make it drag it down here, and if we play just this one, I think this one worked perfectly. And what I'm gonna do is bring it up here. After the adjustment, if you feel satisfied with the result, just click export and export with your need. That's it for this video. Feel free to subscribe, follow and share. Thank you.